Welcome back to the channel. So this week we've got a new product release for you. If you want to come take a seat with me, we'll have a look to see what's in store. So what we've developed here is a full replacement harness for the FK2 Civic. As you guys will be aware, that some of the sensors and the wiring to them suffer from fatigue at the back, where there's just a little bit too much strain on the wiring itself. That particularly is the boost control solenoid, which obviously we've came out with the repair for, and they've been selling extremely well, but we've been starting to see more issues across some of the coil packs and other various sensors around the engine. So what this is really is a full replacement plug and play harness to a motorsport level for an FK2. Taking a closer look at the harness, we can see, and particularly if you look closely at some of the smaller wires, that it's been concentrically twisted as it's been built. So that means that the wires have been woven opposite ways as each layer goes on. That allows for the harness to be extremely flexible. So you see from all the little strands, they do move quite free and easy, but also offers a lot of strength and durability in the harness itself. The harness has been built using System 25 techniques, and that's similar to what you'd find in F1 and high-level motorsport. You'll also notice that we've been using brand new OE connectors. That means that this loom is going to be fully plug and play. Just remove the old harness and plug your new motorsport harness on. Taking a closer look at the harness now, you'll notice that we've labelled all of the strands that go off to each individual sensor, so for ease of installation, you can't really go wrong with this. What you'll also notice is we've left room for port injection, so to sort of future-proof on the harness itself, if you ever wanted to add a secondary set of injectors. We've got room for a driver just close to the ECU there, and then also the other end at the inlet manifold ready for the injectors. Now I've given you a brief introduction to our new harness. We've got a car in the workshop with one fitted, so let's go inside and see how it looks. To have a look at the loom fitted to the car, we can now notice some of the tags that I mentioned previously. They're all quite visible and clearly know exactly where they're going. You can also see some of the relief strains, so there's not going to be any tugging on any of the wiring. But as I mentioned previously, the loom is going to be a lot smaller and tighter than what it was as factory, which actually turns out to give you about a kilogram saving over the stock loom. So to recap on the engine loom itself, we've got motorsport level wiring going into a road car as a complete plug and play harness. This will really give you confidence in years to come that you're not going to be suffering from some of the common wiring fatigue issues that we're finding on the FK2 Civics. If you're interested in picking up a loom for yourself, head over to www.dream-automotive.com where you'll be able to find them on the site. If you've enjoyed today's video and you want to see more from us, please leave us a comment below, hit the subscribe button and give the video a like.